Lesson 2, Photoshop Screen Modes. So now this day we're going to learn how to switch between screen modes. So now, where to find this screen mode? In this tutorial, we'll look at each of Photoshop 3 screen modes and learn how to switch between them. We'll also learn some handy keyboard tricks for getting the most out of this great feature. So now, where to find the screen modes? So there are two places to find the screen modes in Photoshop. So one in our menu bar. So do you know where is the menu bar? You will see it on the top of your screen where you can see File, Edit, Image, Layer, Type, Select, Filter, 3D View, Window, and Help. So as you can see, it can be found in the View menu, and you will see there the screen mode. So we have three types of screen modes. We have the standard screen mode, full screen mode with menu bar, and full screen mode. So now that is the first one where to find the screen mode, and the other one is on your toolbar, or you can see on the left side of your screen, and as you can see right here is your screen mode. So if you're gonna click it, like press and hold and release, it will automatically show up or pop up the three types of screen modes. So we have the standard, we have the full screen with menu bar, and full screen. So now let's take a look to the standard screen mode. So here's the image I currently open in Photoshop, which is the boat. So by default, Photoshop uses the standard screen mode. So when you first time open the Photoshop, it will automatically give you the screen mode of standard screen mode. So in this interface, you will see the toolbar on the left, the panels on the right, the menu bar, the option bar along on the top, and the tab right here. Here is the tab. So if you open another project, like another project that you want to edit, it will appear another here, which is the tab, another tab. So now screen modes versus view modes. So it may not look like the interface is getting in the way of my image, but that's because I'm viewing the image using on the fit screen. We're going to tell you how to use keyboards in zooming in. Just click on your keyboard. If you're using Windows computer, just click Control plus, that is zooming in, and Control minus. If you're using Apple computers, so you just click on the Command plus here and Command minus to zoom out. So that is some tricks of using your keyboards in Photoshop. So as you notice, if you're gonna zoom in, look at that. The scroll bar will automatically appear because you are going to move your image to up and down, or maybe left or right when you zoom in your screen. Here is the view mode. So if you're gonna go to view, alright, we have zoom in, zoom out. So as you can see, the shortcut key is on the right side. So we have fit on screen example. If you're gonna zoom in, this is what you call view mode. So in the fit on screen mode, so as you can see right here, just go to view, fit on view mode. So that is standard screen mode. So now let's move on to the full screen mode with menu bar. So if you want to give yourself a bit more room to work, you can switch to the second of Photoshop's three screen modes, so known as full screen mode with menu bar. To select it, just go to view, okay, go to view, then screen mode, and full screen. Select the full screen mode with menu bar, or the fastest on the screen mode, okay, icon. It's right here. Alright, so you just click on there and select. Okay, so now if you're gonna select this, okay, full screen with menu bar. Full screen mode with menu bar hides any interface elements that were parts of the document window itself. This includes the tab on the top. Okay, the tab, you see the tab, there's no tab at all. The scroll bar, so even if you zoom it in, as you can see, okay, there's no scroll bar. And the status bar as well right here, it's not appearing anymore. So that is the full screen with menu bar. Okay, so now let's move on to the full screen mode. So to fully maximize your work, switch to the third of Photoshop's 3 screen modes, known simply as full screen mode. You can select it by going again to View menu. Okay, View, and just select full screen mode. And as you can see, what happened there is all of the panels, the toolbox, are hidden. So in this full screen mode, you only see your working area. And if this is your first time to select the full screen mode, Photoshop will pop up screen. It will say that if in full screen mode, panels are hidden. They can be accessed on the other side of your screen or revealed by pressing tab. Okay, so if you're gonna press tab, it will automatically appear the panel, the toolbox, as you can see, the option bar as well. So if you're gonna click tab again, it will automatically hide. So this is the full screen mode, or you can just simply drag your mouse on the left side. It will automatically show you the toolbox, and on the other side right there, okay, that is your panel where you can see your layer, your color swatches, and everything. So now here is the 3 screen modes that we can find in Photoshop. Now the shortcut key for this is just simply click your keyboard, the letter F. So if you're gonna click letter F, or if you want to go back to the standard view mode, all you have to do is to click the escape menu. So if you're gonna click ESC in your keyboard, okay, so as you can see right here, when you press escape on your keyboard or simply click letter F on your keyboard, see, it will automatically switch between full screen with menu bar, or full screen or standard. So let's try letter F. See, this one is full screen with menu bar, and right here is the full screen. So I'm just pressing letter F, and as you can see, it will automatically switch between these 3 Photoshop screen modes. So that's all for today. I hope you have learned something, and I hope to see you again next lesson. Goodbye and have a good day, everyone.